Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to create a milestone on ClickUp web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your ClickUp website by going to your browser and writing app.clickup.com, and then you will need to log into your account, and if you don't already have one, just create a new one with your email and signing up with your email. After that, you will need to follow these simple steps. And basically, the first thing that we are going to do now is to go to our working space here in spaces and click on space, and then you will need to choose a list where you want to work. And basically by that, we will find all our tasks that we have on our list. And of course, they are grouped by stats. So they will show, or they will be previewed or listed by stats. And of course, now we will be able to create or to change a task to be a milestone. And basically, to create a milestone, where we need just to select any task. So basically, either you want to select all the tasks, or you can just select few. So I'm going just to have, for example, these two tasks, and you need just to hover next to the task and then click on this gray circle, and then you will have this toolbar that will appear after you select your board, I mean your tasks. And basically now, to create a milestone, all we need to do is to go here and search for this icon, set milestone, and of course we click on it and we click on mark as milestone, and by that our task will be converted to a milestone. So as you can see, mark two tasks as milestone, and by that we have now just created a milestone in our list on ClickUp. And basically, this is how you can create a milestone on ClickUp. Thank you for watching and see you next time.